stop to count the actual financial cost.
But for those who do, let me correct the blatant miscalculations, the wrong sums, the mathematical stupidity that I've heard coming from some quarters. The government of Belize is now paying 70 million Belize dollars for 37% of BL. That's what it comes down to. We acquired 70, we're giving back 33, and we are remaining with 37%. That together with the SSB shareholding means that the public ownership of BL is something like 61% of the shareholding. But in terms of the particular 37% which the government now gets to keep, we're paying Fortis $70 million. That is the totality of the cash settlement of their claim for compensation. That is it. That's all. There are no side deals. There are no hidden costs. That's not the modus operandi of this government. And every single provision of the settlement deed and relevant documents are set out as an attachment to the bill we're now debating for not just members, for the entire world to see. But let me return to the mathematics of the settlement. $70 million for 37% of BL. In return for this $70 million, government actually gets a value of $131 million, because that is what 37% of BL shareholding was worth according to the audited financials at the close of the 2014 financial year. What's there not to like, and what's there not to get?
Opposition leader Francis Fonseca says he gets it all right, and the People's United Party actually welcomes the settlement of the